Christina from It Is a Keeper and Cake Mix Recipes. I share tried and true recipes that anyone can make. I believe if you can read, you can cook. Today, I'm showing you how to make cake mix peach cobbler that comes together with only a few simple ingredients. To make it easier for you, I included the full printable recipe in the video description below. Make sure you grab it. Okay, so the first thing we need to do to get our peach cobbler going is we need to get our peaches in a pan. So I just have a regular 9x13 baking dish, and I'm just going to add some canned peaches that I have drained. To the canned peaches, I'm going to add some cornstarch. This is gonna help thicken up the juice that it makes, and a little bit of cinnamon. And then I'm just gonna give everything a quick toss, just so everybody's coated. Almost done. To this, we are going to add a yellow cake mix. We're just going to pour the boxed cake mix right over top and then spread it around into an even layer over top of our peaches. To this, we're going to add a little bit of brown sugar, just a nice little drizzle. And last but not least, I told you, only a few simple ingredients here. I have a stick of butter, and I've cut it into cubes so that I can evenly place it around the cobbler. Okay, we just need to pop this into the oven, and then we can dig into our delicious peach cobbler. This cake mix peach cobbler smells amazing and it looks incredible. Plus it was super easy to make. Now here are a few tips for you. Don't stir it once you dump it, just let it bake. And if you want to take this over the top, serve it with a scoop of vanilla ice cream for maximum comfort food vibes. And you can also swap in fresh or frozen peaches if you have those on hand. Now, I cannot wait to dig into this a second longer. Oh, you can hear it like crunching through that brown sugar topping. Oh yeah. Get a little bit more of that in there. It is screaming hot, but it is oh so good. Oh, it's so sweet from the peaches, and they still have a little bit of texture to them. And then you have the crunchiness from the cake mix with the brown sugar and the butter. Oh, you guys, this cake mix peach cobbler is definitely a keeper. It's sweet, it's simple, and it's always a crowd favorite. Make sure you share this video with someone who loves good food, and don't forget to grab that printable recipe in the video description. Thanks for cooking with me today. If you love easy peach recipes like this, make sure you check out my slow cooker peach cobbler next. The topping is what makes it amazing. You can watch it right here, and I will see you over there.